channel. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Actually, this is my second video. I appreciate y'all who are watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate. For this video, it's just a vlog.
The next day.
Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's the next day. As you can see, I forgot to vlog yesterday. I don't understand why, but yeah, it's the next day. I woke up a little bit early. I'm not a morning person. I always wake up late, so I had to pray my morning prayer. This point, I had to go and fix my makeup area. I think I call it a beauty area because you know this is where I get all my face done. Yeah, so I had to put a cream, the nail polish and the gel, everything. Like as you can see, all my perfumes and deodorants in place and clean a little bit. This was messy, y'all. Yeah, and if I say messy, I mean it. Also, I had to brush this carpet. It was a little bit dusty. Yeah, after that I went straight to the kitchen, fixed some stuff. Yeah, and I had to wash also the cups, make the dishes. Yeah. So right now I'm preparing breakfast for myself, but I won't take tea. I'll do something different. If you want another recipe, you can comment down below, and yeah, I'll be replying everything that I'm going to be using in this video right now. So what I'm about to do is millet. It's called millet. Yeah, it's really good and healthy recipe. Very good. When I say it's everything and it's delicious, you can try it. So this is what I'm going to have right now. Yeah, so guys, I decided to eat some dates and also put some biscuits. Hey y'all, it's been hours since I last talked to you guys. Right now I'm about to do my home workout. I want to get my body in shape, you know. So I've been eating a lot lately. Like I've been on diet and I've not been eating healthy. I don't want to lie to you guys. So I'm back on my home workout routine like as usual. I used to be fit, like let me tell you, I used to be fit. But right now you guys gaining weight. I'm gaining a lot of weight, as you can tell in this video. So I'm about to go back to my normal home workout routine. I can't afford it to the gym because you know gyms are super expensive. Besides that, if you don't have a trainer, like you know, it takes you a lot. It takes a lot for you to get what you want. Also, the gym is a little bit far away from my home, so I will also take 1 glass of water before I start working out, because water keeps you out. Like, why not, let's take some water, let's drink a glass of water before working out. Like, yeah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
Hi guys, it's update time. So I want to do a little unboxing. I went shopping yesterday, and I think I said this in my intro. I went shopping yesterday, but the mistake I did is that I didn't show you guys what I was buying. I bought a lot of kitchen stuff that I'm about to show you right now. Yeah, I think that's what we're doing today, but next time I won't forget to vlog, show you guys what I'm shopping. So guys, I bought a bunch of stuffs, and some are in this box. As you can see, this is the set that I bought. I'm going to show you guys everything. And I also bought this. There is a lot of stuff in here. There is a jug, there is bowels, there is diner and everything. And I also quickly grabbed this wooden thing. I love it, let me tell you. I love this, and I love this. It matches the aesthetic of our traditional ways of maybe grinding and all that stuff, because why not? So I also forgot the stick for this one. It kind of looks like this, but I don't know how I forgot this, because I paid for it. This one looks like this, like it looks really so guys cute. I didn't remove these boxes from the place where they are right now because they are super heavy. I needed a man to carry for me these boxes, so since I don't have any, I'm going to carry these boxes by my own. And maybe I'll unbox the boxes from here, because there is a lot of stuff and it's very heavy. Too much boxes. Like, yo, let's go ahead and take a look from Hi guys, so I quickly grabbed this cookware. I also got some kitchen towels, and I finally managed to get this set because I've always wanted one like this. It's really good and it's nice, like it's super affordable. Cute cookware, and I just love them, you guys. I've always wanted this for so long, and I never got a chance to get one until now, but I'm just so excited. They also come with a sponge inside that you can use to wash them, so that you don't crack off the black thing because this is stainless. Yeah, and also they have these handles. They are plastic. These plastic handles that you just fix them. They don't come fixed, so you have to fix them yourself. I'm just so excited and I can't wait to use this set. I quickly grabbed this wooden I don't know what it's called, but it's this kind of set. When you see it, you'll know, like these plastics. um it looks like wooden, but it's not wooden. Like, it's in a plastic form, and yeah, this is plastic, you guys, but it looks like wooden. I fell in love with this. When I first saw it, I was like, I'm grabbing this immediately. I also went and grabbed some food containers. This is something that I was looking for so long, and no one had this kind of food containers, so I also got this the egg mixer. I quickly grabbed a wooden knife, got myself a jug because I'm a juice person. Like, I always want to make juice for myself, juice for visitors. So this played the game. Like, yo, it comes with 4 glasses inside, and this is non-plastic, you guys. This is non-plastic. This is melamine, and it's very hard. It can't easily break. As you can see, it's so cute. I love it. And we are grabbing the smoothie glasses. Like, they are very big. I just love them. I'm going to be making smoothies every day. So guys, this is like some of the sneak peek that I got. Yum. Just take a look. I grabbed those. They look so cute. I mean, I love everything that I got at this point.